So hey guys, welcome back to my new fresh video guys. So today in this video we are going to see all about the having clause, what is meant by the having clause, is it important and where it is used, and everything we are going to cover about the having clause. So if you're new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe, and here you can join our 30 days challenge course in the free of cost on the YouTube. So let's start about the having clause. Okay, so if we talk about what is meant by the having clause, so basically the having clause is used to apply a filter and result of group by clause based on the specific condition. Okay, so yeah, the where clause places conditions on the selected columns, where as the having clause places condition on the group created by the group of clause. So we are going to see with the simple example that what is meant by the having clause and what they are trying to say. Okay, so yeah, in the previous videos we have shown and we know about the select statement. Okay, in the select statement we use the where clause. Why? To filter the data. Like example, select from employees table where the salary should be greater than 50,000. Okay, the salaries should be greater than 60,000. This is an condition. We used this condition in the select statement. Like that, in the group statement which we have shown in the previous video, that what is meant by the group statement. In the group clause we have shown about the group clause in the previous video. You can go and check out what is meant by the group clause. Like that, in the group clause we use the having statement for give an specific condition for the query. Okay, so we are going to see with this simple example how our query looks like this. So here is an example which is like this: select column name from table name. Here will be the column name and here be the table name. Group by column name having condition. Okay, we are going to see with the another example that, okay, here is an example that select customer name from sales column, group by customer name. Okay, group by customer name having total spend which is greater than 50,000. Okay, so it is telling like make a group of the customer name and use the condition of total spend which is more than 50,000. Okay, so now we are going to see on the screen, okay, in the SQL. So yeah, here you can see that this is an table in which here you can see that the customer name column, and here price, and here product. Okay, so here we are going to use the having clause condition. Okay, it looks like this, the condition, and just the statement will be like select customer name and sum quality and price. Here we have used the aggregate function, and we have used here the arithmetic operators as the multiplication as the product, and just we have did the product of these two, quantity and the price, and we have saved this output in the total spend column which we have created the new one, and just from the sales, and just this is all present in the sales column. Okay, and here used the group by customer name. Okay, and here is like having total spend condition here is that which is greater than 50,000. Okay, just we will select it and run it, and here you can see that there are the two persons as Alice and Evie who have spent more than 50,000. Okay, so yeah, this was all about the having clause. So if you're new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe our video, and let's see you in the next video guys.